Hey there, welcome back. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to blur part of a video right inside Canva. Just a heads up before we start, Canva doesn't actually have a dedicated blur tool for videos yet, but there's a pretty handy workaround people use, which is what I'll show you. Basically, it involves covering the spot you want to hide with a blurry graphic. First up, create your Canva project and click on the video option and then landscape or mobile to get into the editor. Let's go with mobile. Next, upload your video file, or like me, take it from Canva library. Once it's loaded onto your timeline, just scrub through to find the exact spot in the video where you need that blur effect. Once you've got that spot, great. Now, look over on the left-hand panel and click Element. Go ahead and type Mosaic Blur into the search bar. You'll see a bunch of different blur graphics show up. Pick whichever style you think works best for what you're trying to do. Say you want to blur out a small part of the screen. Just drag the blur graphic you picked right over the area you need to hide. You can then resize it or move it around to get it perfectly in place. Want the blur to only appear for a couple of seconds? Easy. Just grab the ends of the blur element on the timeline and drag them to shorten how long it shows up. Done. If the blur feels too strong or obvious, you can adjust how see-through it is by using the transparency slider in the menu bar. This makes it look more subtle, less like you're shouting, "Hey, look, I'm hiding something here," and more like a gentle fade out. Got more than one spot to blur? No problem. You can absolutely add more blur elements. Just layer them wherever you need them on the video. Canva handles overlapping these graphics just fine. Once everything looks good, click that share button up top. Then choose download. And that's pretty much it. A quick and easy way to blur parts of your video directly in Canva. I hope this little walkthrough helps you out. If you did, I'd really appreciate a like on the video and maybe even a subscribe to the channel. Feel free to drop a comment saying, "like too," so I know who to thank personally. Catch you later.